Today I'll be unboxing this ASUS AC3100 dual band Wi-Fi router. My father-in-law was upgrading his router and I just so happened to be there when he picked this up from Best Buy. And I know this is one of the top ASUS routers. If you look on Best Buy, this thing has a 4.5 stars out of 2,000 reviews. So let's just go ahead and take a look on the outside of the box here, like what that all shows. Very clean, all your good stuff right here showing like it's compatible with Mac, obviously Windows. 2-year warranty on this bad boy. Super nice packaging. On the back of it's really clean setup, very easy to read. On this side, just showing you what on the back side of the router it actually has. And then the description of what's going on with the specifications with the router. And under interface types, we have a Gigabit Lan Port, 4 Gigabit Lan Ports, a USB 3.0, 2.0. With the interface, you could also do 3G and 4G sharing, hard drive sharing, Samba, FTP server. This thing also has 4 detachable antennas. Not sure why you'd want to detach them, but it's there. Onboard memory has 128 megabytes flash, 512 DDR3 RAM. Like I said, this thing is dual band, so it will operate in the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. You can operate this concurrently if you'd like. And standard encryption is as follows. You have management software too, with that could do system logging, save and restore configuration files, utilities for the router setup, lets you know the power adapter, the weight, about 2 pounds. Inside this thing is the router, RJ45 cable, quick start guide, the CD, not sure who uses CDs anymore, but sure, and the power adapter. This is the back of the box right here. I just wanted to open it this way so I could flip it over. And once flipped over, I just kind of work the top off. And there we go. And as you can see, it gives us our cool little instructions. Very legit. Nice soft padding in there. Packaged very nicely. So telling you how to prepare your modem, power on your router, and then logging into. Super easy setup with these things. Gives us some cool information about what kind of features it has. It has a WTF fast or WF fast, whatever it is, for the router. That's mainly like, for gaming. Let you know if you have any troubles, contact them. And then here is the router itself. Nice package in this plastic. So let's go ahead and take this off and get in it. So looking underneath that portion of the box, this comes out. And then there's those 4 detachable antennas. Under that, you'll have your power cable and your RG45. Package super nice. That was just an empty box. I take it just for shipping or movement purposes. Keep it nice and steady in there. Underneath that is where you'll find that CD and then the owner's manual. Just going to go ahead and toss that. Don't really need the CD. Let you know about the warranty. And there we go. But that is pretty much that. Now looking at the router, as you can see, antenna port, a reset, our WAN ports, or LAN ports. The other side has where the other antenna would go. Right here it has our WPS button. LEDs if you want to turn the LEDs off. Now this little door pops open. This is where your USB 3.0 is. On top, your standard lights of what's going on with the operation. Like I said, you can go ahead and turn these off if you want by pressing that LED button. And then here is your antennas. Just installing the antennas, but make sure to be super careful. I just want to just go and throw these on just because I like the look of how these antennas look when they're on. It makes it look like super spaceship looking, in my opinion. Yeah, just be very careful spinning those on. Make sure they go on there legit. You don't want to cross thread or mess up your antennas right from the get-go. Let me know what you guys think, and go ahead and like and subscribe. And that's it. Unboxing and throwing the antennas and set this thing up.
It ain't my fault.